here to connect you with the subject statistic. Here we clear all the concept about statistic. And today we start with the definition. Okay. So here is the definition of statistic, that it is the branch of science which deals with collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of the data. The word data is very important in statistics. The presentation enables us to get the overall idea about the phenomena or the term. Okay. So from that presentation we can forecast, then we can plan, control the data or control the term, situation, whatever you can say, and explore. So by getting data we have so many things to do it with it. Okay. For example, so mark sheet is the very good example of the definition statistic. In mark sheet we have basic details of student is given, then data is collected which is presented in terms of table. Total here is total, and analysis is done in terms of percentage, and interpretation is given in terms of result. So here the basic example of mark sheet, where we have details, data, collected data is represented in terms of table, then analysis is done in terms of percentage, and result in terms of interpretation in terms of result is given to you. Next, there are two types of collection of the data that we will see. So here we have two types of data collection. One is primary data. What is primary data? When the information was collected by investigator himself with a definite objective. With the definite objective means what? Here if you want to see the height or weight of a student, of we cannot say A, of 10, of number of students. So you go directly to the student, then and ask him or her for the height and or weight of that student, particular student. Okay. So what is your objective? To find out the average height. Suppose we want to find out the average height. Okay. So you ask for the height. That is your objective, to find the average height of a particular class student or particular age student. Okay. So when you directly go to the student, that is, we can say that we collect the primary data. Second one is secondary data. Secondary data is the information was gathered from a sources which already had the information stored. For example, here we have number of cancer patient. You don't have idea of the persons who have cancer. Okay, you cannot go directly and ask them for cancer. Okay, so what do you do? You go to the cancer hospital and find out there the number of patient having cancer or type of cancer. Likewise, you can collect the data about the COVID patient also. Okay, so in that way we can collect the data in primary format or in secondary format, depends upon our objective. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my videos, please subscribe and follow. Thank you.